In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A26 and Samsung Galaxy A36. So what you need to do once the smartphone is turned on is to drag down from the top right corner, tap the cogwheel right over here. This is the settings icon. And from here, the quickest way to get to where we need is to click on the magnifying glass and to type reset, search, and then select reset all settings. From this display, you're going to go down and select factory data reset. It's the last option. And here it will tell you everything that will get deleted from your phone. So Google account, apps, your personal data, your pictures, any login, everything. So if you want to resell your smartphone, you'll have to do this. So the next person will not have access to any of your personal information. So I'm going to tap on reset. And this is just a confirmation. You're going to select delete all here. And now all you have to do is to wait. Depending, how much memory you have, how many things you had, it may take 2 minutes or even 5 minutes. So come back in around 2-3 minutes. Honestly, you should see the phone being rebooted in the setup menu. So over here you see it's currently erasing. The phone will shut down and will power on by itself. Don't touch anything. Okay, so it took us around 2 minutes and we finally got this screen. All you have to do from now is to set it up like a brand new phone by selecting the language over here and going through all the screens. Okay, I'll make a separate video on how to do it in case you're a bit confused. But overall, to factory reset, this is what you need to do. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.